Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change camera video size on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, below you can see the option. Okay, you'll have to do is select the video. And here in video, okay, the video size is set into HD. So you can change this by tap the video size, and you can see the option. Okay, you can set into full HD. Okay, select the full HD, and video size is set into Full HD 30 fps. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the camera video size on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.